Okay, here there's going to be no solutions because the lines never meet. So that's just choice D. Whoopsie daisies. Sorry about that. Okay, so 24 is going to be two dashed lines, by the way. So this is x is less than 2, is this way. And y is greater than -4 is this way. So it has to look something like that. I believe it's choice D. So it has to be choice D. Again, pay attention to which line is dotted, which one is not. So we have a solid line going like this, and a dashed line is going to look something like this, and we're going to shade underneath it. So it has to be something like that. It looks like B is correct. It looks like B is correct, but let's confirm that. Let's confirm that. Yeah, so it has to be choice B. 26. Let me go down all the way. Can't. So 26 is going to be the first equation is going to, you can just approximate it for this type of problem. Something like this. It's going up, so it's going to go this way. And the other one is a dashed line right here going up. So it has to be choice A. It has to be choice A. Alright, number 27. The first equation is going to look something like this. And the next equation is going to look something like that. So they should meet right about there. It has to be y. There's no question about it. It has to be y. Okay? It has to be y. That's the best way to do it, in my opinion. Okay, 28 is just where do they meet, so it's A, straightforward. Okay, so we have 29 and 30, good. So 29 is going to be this. 3 times what is 9 is 3. Y times what is 9 is 9. Let's just make it dashed. Let's pick a test point. Is 0 greater than 9? No, that's not true, is it? So we shade this way. And y is greater than or equal to -3, is just right, just like that. So our solution set is that right there. Okay. Yeah, so it does look like it is. It's B, doesn't it? It looks like it's B. It looks like it's B. Okay, a lot of people miss this because look how similar D and C look. They're very similar, okay? Now, what I would do for the first one is add y to both sides, so I get y plus x. Then subtract x from both sides, so I get, and I could rewrite it like this. Right? So that's simply going to be, that one is simply going to be a, it's going to be this way. And it has to go this, it has to go up. So I'm done with this one. The next one is going to be right about here, and it's going to go down, so it's like this. So it's between choice C and D, and it has to be C because, this line has to be solid, this one has to be dashed, so it has to be that one. A lot of people miss that. So please pay attention to that problem. It's tricky. Okay? It's tricky. But one thing you should always memorize is a few things. Is that this is the line y equals x. Because you only need 2 points and you could just make a table of values. So we have 0, 0, 1, 1. It's going to look like that. Y equals negative x is just the opposite. It's a perfect opposite diagonal. So just remember that. It's not hard. It's not hard. Okay, let's be careful with all the signs and all that stuff. So here's how I would do it. Subtract 3. This is the same thing as this. So it's going to be negative 3 up. So I'm done with this one. I don't care about that anymore. The next one, what I would do is add x. So I have this. So that's going to be this line, the perfect diagonal. And it's also solid. And it looks like that one is going down. Okay. And the last one is going to be this way. So my solution set looks to be about right here. So it should be about, looks like it's going to be D. Looks like it's going to be. Wait a minute. So let's see. Yeah, this direction. So actually, it looks like it's going to be B. I'm sorry. It looks like it's going to be B. That's the best choice. It looks like it's going to be B. Okay, so let's stop there.